Have you ever used the clock feature in Windows 11? Well, I've got a game-changing tip for you if you never have. I just downloaded the latest update to Windows 11 this morning, and as I was faffing around looking at different bits and pieces in the back end to see what was different, I came across the clock, and I've never really paid it much attention before, but I will be doing so from now on. So I live in Israel, and I work with clients in London. My children, or two of my children, live in Florida. So I often want to know what time it is in different places. Now, this is relatively easy to do in Outlook. I can have 3 calendars in my Outlook calendar in the week display, and that way I can see what time it is when I'm scheduling meetings or appointments or just want to make a phone call. However, what if I want more than 3 time zones? I can't yet do that in Outlook, but I can now do it in Windows. And this saves me having to go to a website like TimeBuddy to find out what time it is and compare time zones. So let me show you. You'll start from the Start menu, the new Start menu, which is now in the middle, and you'll find the Clock app. If you don't see the Clock app here, you can go to All Apps, and eventually you'll come across Clock in the list, and there it is. I've pinned it because I'm going to be using it a lot. So the first thing to note with the new update, that's right now this morning, the second Windows 11 update, we have the ability to start a focus session. But that's not what I want to talk about. I want to talk about this world clock. When you see the world clock, it will show you your local time and the location. But watch this. I can add another location. So if I add London, which is where most of my clients are, I'll click Add. And now I've got 2 time zones. I'm going to click Add for Miami, which is where my kids live. And let's say I've just acquired a new client based in Chicago, which is a different time zone to Miami, slightly different. So I'm going to add that. So we can see that there's an hour difference between Chicago and Miami. We've got pins on the map. I've got the time in London and the local time. I can't reorder these, but down here I can click this little compare button. And when I do that, I can immediately see what's going on in a way that is a little bit easier for me to fathom. So I think this is a game changer. I haven't yet messed about, but here I could go for the 18th of December or the 20th of December and see what the different times are there. It really doesn't matter. The times are going to be the same. But I thought that's a game changer and something that you can have pinned to your Start menu like I do. And I can click there and then go to my world clock and click compare. And then I can see what the times are in different time zones. So a quick tip for you this morning. Hope you enjoyed that. It's the Clock app in Windows 11. You may not yet have that particular feature, but go ahead and give it a go once you get updated. And I'll see you on another quick tip sometime soon.